Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing VSCode and preparing your Mac so you can use it immediately. Download the macOS zip or DMG and drag the app into /applications. This ensures proper permissions. Once installed, open VSCode and use the command palette to run shell command. Install code command in path so terminal access works. Make sure extensions can be installed by enabling network access if you're behind a proxy, and then restart the app to apply path changes. Next, configure a workspace and tailor VSCode to your workflow so you don't waste time later. Open a project folder and save it as a workspace. Once done, enable settings like auto save and format on save. Install essential extensions, language support, linter, and debugger, and reload the window. Then edit settings. JSON to point the integrated terminal to your preferred shell, set formatter defaults, and customize key bindings so repetitive tasks become 1 or 2 keystrokes. Finally, test run a small file to confirm build tasks. Finish by running and debugging your code so you can ship with confidence. Create or update launch. JSON for your runtime, set breakpoints, and use the debug panel to step through code, watch variables, and call stack to understand state. Once working, commit workspace settings if needed. If something breaks, examine the problems and output panels for errors, then try disabling recently added extensions or reset user settings to isolate the issue. If that fails, restart VSCode and your Mac to clear lingering processes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.